A bill to legalise assisted dying in England and Wales has passed its first parliamentary hurdle after MPs voted to approve it on its first reading by a majority of 55. The bill, put forward by Kim Leadbeater, will face more votes and closer scrutiny in both Houses of Parliament before it can become law. Well, today's vote only applies to England and Wales, and as we heard earlier in the programme, it still has many hurdles to pass before it becomes law. But it's under discussion in other parts of the UK too. Scotland is also currently looking at an assisted dying bill for the terminally ill who have been resident in Scotland for at least 12 months, with the first key vote expected next year. In the Isle of Man, an assisted dying bill is progressing. It's likely to receive royal assent next year for residents who have 12 months left to live but have been living on the island for at least 5 years. In Jersey, a bill was passed this May to legalise assisted dying for terminally ill residents who, like the UK, have 6 months left with some exceptions, and also for those whose incurable diseases cause unbearable suffering. Draft legislation is expected by the end of next year, with the law coming into effect in the summer of 2027. The only place not looking at some form of assisted dying law in the UK now is Northern Ireland. Around 300 million people worldwide live in countries which have legalised assisted dying, starting with Switzerland in 1942. It includes Canada, where assisted deaths now account for 4% of all deaths.